It's ELLE KOS Glam. I'm so glad that you stopped by my channel. Today we're going to do this romantic table, and I'm going to show you how to have a romantic night Valentine's Day edition. Let's get started. First of all, I started by going to Target, and I stopped at my so-called dollar spot, but it really was $3 for everything. So my dollar spot really is not my dollar spot in Celebration, Florida. But I went ahead and got things that I needed for my table. I had to scramble a little bit, but it worked out. Next, I went to the Dollar General and I saw these cute Miss and Mr. cups. They were little goblets for water, so I picked those up as well from the Dollar Tree. I also picked up some balloons. Okay, now we have our candy, balloons, and other things to get our table started. So we're going to go ahead and get out of here. I'm going to pick up this tablecloth that I picked up from Target, and it's sort of a candy stripe color. I'm going to remove all the chairs from around my second dining room and just make way so I can get the table started. Next, I'm going to put the tablecloth on. Make sure it smooths out a little bit, and I just wanted to have some fun with colors this year. I added my cake dish, which I'm going to put my trees on, followed by some candelabras that I picked up from the dollar store. I thought they were so cute and quite fitting for our event. Also, I added some chocolates inside the bag with some fun colors, and I added some moon pies, which look like macaroons, to my cake dish. My husband loved those things, and he also loved Swiss rolls, so I got him that. Here's a nearly natural bouquet of roses. These are not real, they are artificial. And then I added some plates down, but I just thought that I'll just jazz it up a little bit and add some plate mats and some plate chargers. So I changed it up a little bit to play off the colors that are on the table. I added a little gold to it. Next, I added these cute little ring holders from Target, from the dollar spot, and I also added my Ray Dunn container and added cotton candy inside. On the outside it says share, and I thought it would be cute to add some cotton candy as a treat on our table so we can share it at dinner. Unfortunately, my cotton candy went flat because it's very hot and humid here today, so I had to fluff it up a little bit, but I did the best I could with it. Next, I'm going to add my candles on top. I'm not going to light them till tonight, but you get an idea of what it looks like. Then I'm going to add the cute little goblets on the side of the wine glasses, which we don't drink wine. I just add some juice in there. And I add a couple more candles just to make it look a little bit more elegant. And I add 2 chairs back and I'm all set. Here's another set of nearly natural bouquet flowers. Those little ring holders, and I added chocolate covered strawberries in those for our dessert. There's my cotton candy that we shared. I thought it was romantic to have cotton candy to share at the end of our dinner because it's a fun little treat and it's a surprise. So I always have an element of surprise at all my table settings. Here's the final results of my table. I also added these cute little pink ruched pillows to my chairs to give it a pop of color, and I wanted to go pink and purple this year. Here's my dinner, and I actually cooked beef ribs for dinner, and they were really good. I haven't eaten salt or sugar in about a month since I've been recovering from my snake bite, so I had to eat very healthy, and I just treated myself today. I didn't go overboard. I kept it a little bit healthy, but I splurged a little bit. So we had garlic bread, We had sweet potatoes with beef ribs. And that's it. Please make sure you subscribe, hit that notification button and that subscribe button. Also jump over to Mr. Traveler channel where we show you the world. Live your dreams, glam your lifestyle. Take care. Bye guys. Oh my gosh. Wow. Oh my goodness. Wow.
You don't have that one, do you?
Oh no. Oh my gosh. Sweetie. What is this? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. This is the roll on. Oh my gosh. Sweetie.
What?
Wow. Oh, I love it. This is so pretty. Oh, it comes with a pouch too. Oh, this is really pretty. I'll be carrying this on the next cruise. Thank you. Wow, pretty. Thank you.
Happy birthday.